Namaste, I'm Sonali Mittra at the Healing Room. I just had a beautiful experience with Krishna's yoga class. It was not a stretching exercise, it was not the usual yoga poses that you know of. It was a lot more. It was like a sadhana that we did that day. It started with a meditation. We went into the yoga poses. We really stretched our body. And then it ended with a sound bath with the master son Gong that is here. So I would like to know a lot more about what I experienced that day, what my body experienced that day, and like to share that with you. So Krishna, thank you for doing that class with us.
Namaste, thank you.
And I would like to ask you, this yoga, which felt like a sadhana for that 1 hour, what is it for you? What is it like to conduct those classes for you?
It was amazing. I mean, the way my life started from a chef, and I cooked for a good 15 years or so. And then a sudden shift happened, like the yoga, like it was inviting me. And I fell in love with yoga in the mountains, in the Himalayas, and I never stopped from there. The thing which started as fun, it became like a lifestyle. How do I say? I mean, yoga. I've been doing yoga. I've been teaching yoga for past 10 years now. I've been doing sound healing for quite a few years now, and it never disappointed me or never disappointed anybody who came to me. I hope to share the same thing with the Delhi people. Thank you so much.
Okay. Another question.
Okay.
What made you integrate yoga with sound bath healing? So where did that inspiration come from, or what was the intention of combining yoga with
Yeah, so the main reason of these instruments, these amazing instruments, is these are they work as a medium to get into a meditative state. So for a lot of people, meditation is very difficult. It is not so easy. Only 1 in a million they tend to go into the meditative state, but that's also not so easy. This especially. The gongs, they take you into that theta state and sometimes into the alpha state. I mean, it can take you into a different state of minds, and it is unbelievable what the sound can do to your body. So that was the main reason. So of course, yoga, we are stretching, we are sweating it out and everything. And once the body is ready, after your yoga is done, your body is ready to do that meditation. And this helps really to go into that state of mind. So really helpful. Really helpful.
This is what I also experienced, and some of the participants also experienced that when the body was sweating, when we were stretching, a lot of the emotions were coming up on the surface. And I don't think most of us correlate our emotional health with physical health. They go hand in hand. So for example, when we are stretching the back, or it's the receiving that we are opening up, when we are stretching our stomach, it's the anger or the self-doubt or self-esteem issues that are getting released. So imagine that your body is like opening up and bringing out those emotions on the surface. Now, if at that point I combine the sound bath with it, and your instrument can take us into the theta wave state, there is a massive emotional release that happens. So it becomes like this very powerful combination, and you start your day with that. Start your day with like flushing out all these toxic emotions that your body is holding on to, and you're able to release it and start afresh. And I can say this, it was just one class that I did, and my body is aching in places I didn't even know that existed. But there was this lightness in my soul, there was lightness in my mind, and there was just this beautiful ease throughout my body and throughout my day. So this is an invitation from us at the Healing Room. We are starting our trial yoga sessions from tomorrow onwards. We start from tomorrow morning, but there'll be a lot more coming in. And if you have any questions about this, Krishna and I will be here to answer those for you. We welcome you to this space, this place, and into your healing journey. Comment yoga in the section below, and we'll send you all the details.